Indonesia.
Good morning. It's a beautiful Wednesday today, and right now I'm going to the management office to register the details for the unifi people to come and install the unifi. That's right, I'm finally installing a landline internet, which has been needed for a very Guess what? Unifi is up and running in the Izhan Zubir household. Tengok sikit. Masa aku keluar tadi dia pasang. So far so good. We finally have a fixed internet in this house. Ryan. Okay steady. Ryan hari ni dia puasa juga walaupun dia tak sahur pagi tadi. I'm really proud of him. Kita orang semua tak sahur pagi tadi. Semua orang memang terlajak tidur dan tak siapa pasang alarm, so tak bangun. Iris dengan Icha dah buka puasa tengah hari tadi. So diorang hari ni for the first time this year, hari ni diorang tak puasa. But Ryan still going strong. Tengah gigih buat kerja sekolah dia. Tak apa benda dah. Dia ada sains, kena buat buku scrap sains.
A few moments later.
Memang short sikit lah. Apapun, I'm really happy about this. There you go. Glorious internet. Kita orang ambil unifi mainly because sebelum ni, the whole time kita orang duk guna mobile data masing-masing lah, me and my wife. Menggunakan mobile hotspot masing-masing untuk, you know, untuk my laptop, her laptop. Itu okay lagi. But then, sejak PKP ni, Ryan dah tak pergi sekolah. So, dia kena buat homework through Google Class. You see how important internet is now? Ia bukan hanyalah kehendak lagi dah. Ia dah menjadi keperluan. So, internet, mobile data masing-masing pun cepat habis. Drain, laju betul. Finally, me and my wife decided to install a new landline internet, namely unifi. Dan Alhamdulillah, TV ni adalah smart TV. So, memang selama ni memang ada YouTube dengan Netflix semua kat dalam tu. Cuma, the challenge here is to control it lah. Tak boleh nak bagi sewenang-wenangnya kat budak-budak ni nak guna, nak tengok YouTube every time. YouTube pun kadang-kadang content pun ada merepek dan tak elok kan. Netflix bini aku punya account, I'm sure dia tahulah, dia ada cakap yang Netflix boleh buat password, but YouTube dekat TV ni tak boleh. Anyway, for me, what's most important is uploading videos to YouTube has never been more awesome in my life now that we have a proper internet at home. Zafiq Aizul yang bernama Bob. Aduh, bini aku lalu ke belakang ni? Ke tu bukan bini aku, tu bini kau Aku dah tengok belakang ada. It's a cloudy Wednesday today, and it's Elissa's birthday. Yay! Happy birthday, Elissa. Today you turn 5 years old. As a father, it's really amazing to get to see your kids grow up. As a parent, it's really amazing to follow and keep track of their progress. And that's what parenting is all about. It's about witnessing all these amazing moments. In other news, the organization that I work for announced last week that all the staff would resume working at the office starting on the 13th of May, which is today. Group 1 will go to the office today, while Group 2 stays and works from home. And Group 2 will go to the office tomorrow, while Group 1 works from home. So on and so forth. So we're all going to be working on an alternate basis, and I'm in Group 2. I'm not really sure how I feel about this. Half of me is saying, man, I really miss the office. But the other half is like, oh crap. I mean, Monday blues, here we go again. Well, I guess I should do something about this though, right? I can't show up to work looking like a Viking now, could I? Man, I was just starting to grow this. Oh well. There you go. Man, this feels weird. So, I'm out of the house again. Aku nak pergi beli ayam. And possibly Elissa's birthday cake. I'm not sure kalau kedai kek buka ke tak ke. Gotta check it out. So, minyak aku dah menyala. Tengok ya, aku isi berapa tadi, daripada menyala sampai ke full tank. Actually, exactly berapa ringgit. Okay, dah stop. It's actually 41 ringgit 68 cents. 41 ringgit 68 sen. Look at this one as I turn the key. Full tank. So aku nak pergi beli ayam. Actually semalam sepatutnya aku beli ayam 2 ekor, tapi aku terlupa dah, sibuk-sibuk beli barang dengan vlog semua. So kena pergi beli hari ni. Satu lagi supermarket, nak cari ais dengan ice cream sikit lah, something for the kids. Next is to buy cake, which is just over there. Berries. Ada 3 je. So kedai berries tu ada 3 kek je. Tak cukup lah. Tu semua yang RM68 yang kek besar punya. So aku nak pergi depan sikit tu, ada satu lagi kedai kek. Mungkin ada kot. Yeah. Yang ni lah. Okay, very nice. Baby shark.
Kena pula dengan laut dia.
Okay, so I got her cake right now, but probably we will bring out the cake after berbuka puasa, after iftar. So tomorrow is a working day for me. I gotta adjust my sleeping time. My bedtime is like around 3 to 4 AM for the past 2 months, so I gotta readjust that. Other than that, everything should be fine. Look, I even got her a crown or a tiara. She's gonna be really happy. And my wife suruh aku pergi beli kuih sikit. So singgah beli cucur udang kat kedai group base ni kejap. That's what I'm talking about.
Happy birthday to Izhan. Happy birthday to you.
Siapa nak ada macam ni, Mama? Satu je. Jom.
Yay! Elissa's quarantine birthday.
Apa nak?
Ha? Tak nak, Abang kenyang.